guys, what's up? My name's Danny, aka Thrift Fish. I'm an online fashion reseller, so I sell secondhand clothing on Poshmark, eBay, and a couple other resale platforms full-time. And I just got home from an afternoon of thrifting, of sourcing, but I also received a Jomar mixed box of secondhand items, so I thought I would just do a casual unboxing. Hopefully my invoice will be in here so I can tell you exactly what this box is and how much I paid for it. I usually use somebody's affiliate discount code, but I don't have any other kind of like discounts or affiliations with them. So this is just my real reaction. Ow, I pinched. Ow. I can't get it open because these scissors suck. I have a box cutter somewhere. I'll probably just rip it open. I don't know what I was gonna say. It's supposed to have denim and other secondhand clothes. Okay, so this is the Essentials Pack, women's mid to premium denim, plus basic CPR, 40 pieces. I paid $199.94. So the box was $180. Wait, yes, no, it was $200. I had a discount of $20 off, and shipping was about $20, so it still came to just under $200. I basically just got shipping off, plus a couple cents. So, but yeah, that's what I ordered, and here's what I got. If you like videos like this, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. I put out reselling videos every week, so I will be here if you want more like this. All right, and I have plenty of videos on my channel, so if you want something to do, go ahead and watch the rest of my videos. Okay, thank you card. I haven't ordered much from Jomar recently, but this was the most recent order, and it was maybe about a month and a half ago. I usually expect their orders to take a little over a month, but once they ship, they get here within like a day or like the next day. Okay, this is already really cool. This is like a boiler suit or like a jumpsuit coveralls from Zara. They're denim, Zara, 1975 basic denim department, but that's pretty cool. I've never seen something like this from Zara, so I will definitely list that. The goal is to list as much of this as possible. This is an aqua sweater, or no, it's a tiny little sweater dress. I don't really know much about this brand or if it has resale value. I've never sold it before, so I would usually pass it in the thrift store. So I'll have to see if that's worth listing or sending somewhere. Ivory made in Barcelona. This is really cute. I've never seen this before, but it's really soft and really cute, and I'm definitely gonna list it, if not keep it. Does it tell me what it's made out of? It's super soft. I don't know, but I'll have to do some research on it, but I really like it. Look how cute that is. Some sort of faux suede from Phoebe Couture. Anybody recognize that? I know nothing about it. It's a cute enough dress, but I'll have to see if it sells. Doesn't look like anything super crazy amazing. This is good. I love selling this brand. Cute little, this is like the structure of most of their dresses, but this is COS, C-O-S. It's a size small. It's just a little gray, like tunic dress. Love that. A Zara knit skirt. I'll list it. I'll list Zara. I don't typically pick it up in the thrift store unless it's a really cool piece, but I will list it. This is Natalie du Pasquier. I don't know if I said that right. Looks French. for American Apparel. That's really cute. It's like a little baby doll. I don't know if it's supposed to be a top or a dress, but I'll list it. An Armani Exchange jacket. I wouldn't normally pick something like this up, but I'll have to see. It's cute. I like the style of it. I'll have to see what it will comp for. What's this little thing? Olivaceous. Definitely not something that I would normally pick up. That can go to Plato's or in one of my lots. I'm still processing my ThredUp 100-pound mixed clothing lot, so I can kind of put some of that stuff together. Here's another Zara piece. This is a truffle look piece, a little plaid shirt dress or tunic. I don't know. I never know what's a dress, what's a long shirt. So lots of Zara in here, which again, I don't really mind. This is a 7 for All Mankind mid-rise crop skinny jean. Not the most super trendy brand or style, but I'll probably still list them. They're not a terrible style. They're pretty basic. They're not crazy on trend either. Some AG, Adriana Goldschmied legging ankle super skinny jeans. Again, not the style that I would be picking up in the thrift store, especially with a rise like that. I stick to high rise. I have heard low rises coming back. I haven't seen the evidence yet, but maybe I can test it out with those. But they're an older style. Here we go. Another pair of AG legging ankle super skinny. These do have some distressing and a release hem, so that's a little bit better, but I don't know. Not the kind of denim I would like to be finding or selling. This is a BCBG Max Azria little open blazer. Again, wouldn't pick it up normally, but it has potential possibly. Leith or Leith, Nordstrom or Nordstrom Rack, I don't know, just a little plain black fluttery top. I'll list it. Somebody might bundle it. Dorothy Perkins. I don't know really what this is, but it's a size 2, and it's just a little sweater with a little bit of a zip in the back. I'll look that up. Not super excited yet. Oh, okay. Here's a little Everlane top. I'm not mad about that. Nothing crazy. It won't sell for very much, but it's a good basic. I just like Everlane. This is a little pair of Topshop shorts, which I'll list because shorts are, you know, almost back in season. I don't know what this is. Stellan. I don't know. It's a little, ooh, what is it? A wrap front top. Yeah, a little faux wrap velvet top. I have no idea what that's worth. I typically base my comparable solds on Poshmark since that's my primary platform. Here's Oat Hippie, which I don't mind. I kind of like this brand. Just a plain pair of, oh no, it's a skirt. I don't really know what this is actually. I think it's a skirt. It's a weird little skirt. But there's the tag. It's falling off a little bit. Size 2. I mean, I'll list Oat Hippie if I find it. That's not a very exciting piece though. What is this? Looks cheap. Row A. Here's the tag. No price on this other tag, but Row A. Okay, it's a little cute dress. Again, I don't really know what kind of value this has on the resale market. If it has anything, I'll list it. If not, it might go to Plato's Closet or something. Here's another cost piece, really cute. There's the label. This one's a size 12. Look how cute the colors are. Again, just kind of like a swingy tunic dress. I like that a lot. Another pair of super skinny ankle legging jeans from AG. Basic pair of dark wash. That's not too bad. I'll take it. Yes. And another one, maybe an even older label. Man, they must have a lot of these just hanging around. It gave me like 4 or 5 pairs so far. Yikes. Here's another Zara skirt. Very cute, faux suede. What is this? I mean, it's animal print, but I hate the smell and the look of it. Susie Shear. I've never seen this brand in my life. It has a bad smell. I'm gonna put it right there. Move on. Ugh, hate that smell. I've been slowly losing faith in ordering with Jomar. This will probably be my last box for a little while. This is a super cute Zara maxi dress. But again, I just like, I don't know. I wasn't expecting a whole lot because this box is a pretty good value box. Like, you're not paying a whole lot per item, which is nice. So I shouldn't expect to get like top dollar items. But I don't know. Quality just seems to go down. I know several people who have had bad experiences. So I don't know. I think now that things are looking a little bit better with the pandemic and I'm able to go out in-person thrifting and finding other resources, I don't know how much I'll be ordering with Jomar. Depends. Of course, I'm always tempted. I say these things, but who knows if I'll actually not order. Okay, this is a Madewell subset rivet and thread. A little cute little sweatshirt. I like this. Again, a nice little basic. Here's another Stellan piece. A weird, an interesting velvet textured zip front skirt. Medium. A Zara basic. Ooh, this is like a linen jumpsuit. Ooh, we really like this too. Hey, at least it's cute Zara pieces. Because I don't usually find Zara pieces like this anyway, so I'm thankful for that. This feels not expensive. It's Lucky Brand. It's cute. I'll definitely list it. Just a basic tank top, extra small. Again, somebody will bundle it. Oh, look at the little knot front. Okay. A couple more items here. You see how I got like super discouraged right in the middle of this? I don't know what this is. Georgie. Size medium. Little faux suede jacket. I don't know. Doesn't feel great. At least my list pile is bigger than my not list pile. What? What is creamy rage? I'm so what? So this is creamy rage. It feels like a faux wool. It's got a bow on the front and it's a little dress. I must know more about creamy rage. No, I don't. Dry clean only. Oh my gosh, creamy rage. It's wool, cashmere, silk, and guys, it's also spandex. Spandex. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna show it to you because I don't want you to think that I just don't know how to say spandex. Oh, can you see it? I don't even know if you can see it, but it says spandex. I just need to know more about that. Tara Jarman? Tara Yarman? Weird blazer? I don't know, man. What is that? Club Monaco, really old style of pant. Underwhelmed. Box smells bad. Rowan, no idea what this is. Size large, feels cheap. I don't know. I'm getting discouraged again. Can you see it? Another Stellan piece. It's a elastic waist, like culottes. I don't know where to put that. Last handful of pieces here. Cameo. I don't know anything about it. Size medium. Crop top. Okay, second to last piece. Another Rowan, size medium piece. I don't know anything about it. And the last thing. Okay, all right, at least. Okay, a little intermix pencil skirt. That I will take. It's tiny, but it's like a midi length. Yeah, size small, intermix skirt. So again, I'm gonna list most of it, but it's not gonna get me a whole lot. But again, I didn't pay a whole lot. So take of that what you will. And I'll put Jomar's link in the box in the description, and you can order one if you want or not. I don't care. Just some of these items I wouldn't list in my closet due to their resale value and the time that I have to spend photographing and describing and listing that item, that both me and my lister, so I'm paying for a lister to do that. So that's her time as well. It's my money. So I have to consider the time I want to put into the listings, and the listings that I want to do are the things that I like and the things that I know sell well in my closet and have a pretty chunky resale value. So that's why some of these things, and after quite a long time of doing this and thrifting and knowing, you know, the things that I like to sell in my closet and the feel of the quality items that I like to curate my closet with, I just have learned that some pieces, the way they feel and the way they're structured and what they're made out of, are kind of signs to say that maybe this piece isn't worth it. But of course I will do checks on certain things. So I don't want to ramble on too much, but I did want to explain that a little bit more of why I choose some things over other things when I receive boxes like this. But thank you so much for watching. Again, if you enjoyed this, hit the thumbs up and definitely hit the subscribe button. I will be back with another video very soon. So thank you again, and I'll see you again next time.